How to connect your GameSir Nova Lite to PC. So this controller. First, you're gonna have to choose your connection method. You can connect the GameSir Nova Lite to PC using Bluetooth, the 2.4 GHz USB receiver, or a USB-C wired connection. So first of all, you choose from whichever option you want. So if you want to connect with Bluetooth, you can turn the controller off, make sure it's off, and then just press the B button. So this is the B button here on the very right, and the home button as well. So the home button, as you can see, the home button, and then the B button, all at the same time. And briefly as well. And until your home light flashes blue. Then on your PC, you're going to go ahead into Bluetooth and devices, or wherever you can find your Bluetooth. Go ahead and enter add device and find the Bluetooth option. So here you should be able to find your controller. But if that doesn't work from here, you can always check here in the bottom, the everything else option, to see if your GameSir controller is appearing there. Then just go ahead and connect, and then a steady blue light will mean it's connected successfully using Bluetooth. Your next option is to connect with the USB receiver, which is this dongle that's given with the controller. So you can plug the included 2.4 GHz receiver into your PC's USB port and then power on the controller. So the controller will automatically connect, and if there's a pairing button here on the back of the USB button or the dongle, go ahead and press that so that it enters pairing mode, and then that's pretty much it. It will connect your controller to your PC. So if it doesn't work, you're gonna need to repair it if the light keeps blinking. And for your last option, you do have the USB-C cable that you can find at the bottom of your controller. Just plug in a USB-C cable or the provided one, and then the USB side should go to the PC, of course. Then from there, you can just test it in Windows or Steam. So for example, Steam, you can just go ahead into your settings, or generally the controller settings. So go ahead there first. And then you can check if the buttons and sticks respond. If it doesn't show up, you can remove the old Bluetooth pairing and then just restart the controller and connect again. Anyways, those are the steps you need to connect your GameSir Nova Lite to your PC. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.